Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for having us. This is amazing. This is Highland Girl.
Out of school, I always wanted to be cool. I tried to act a lot like you, but always ended up the fool. Playing football was the way. I always thought that I could make it to the top, but then I fell, and then I drank it all away, away, away. Come on, Bella! But now I found my Highland girl. I spent blood and sweat and tears, trying hard to find my way, smiling through my big veneers. You were just the girl for me. I couldn't buy the master key to your heart and set you free, and then go sail the Highland bays, the bays, the bays. But now I find my Highland girl. Now you are my fiancé, two together, two's a team. I'm wide awake, it's not a dream. And now the summer shines on me, and I can tell the world it seems, it seems, it seems. Hey! But now I find my Highland girl. Chains are set free, this is our destiny. You were always for me. I was blind, I couldn't see. Now the chains are set free, this is our destiny. In the distance I can see, on horizons you and me, by the cute old cherry tree, making love and harmony, until the day our breath goes cold, and the candle stops to glow. And I will always be with you, and I'm singing now. It's true, it's true, oh, oh, oh. But now I fight my Belladrum girl. Chains are set free, this is our destiny. You were always for me, I was
much. Enjoy your weekend.